In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. To get started, sign into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps most of the account configuration options, including payment method controls. After the settings page opens, find and select payment methods. This section lets you manage which payment options are available to your customers during checkout, so it's the right place to enable Google Pay. When you arrive on the payment methods page, scroll through the list of available methods until you find Google Pay. Depending on your account and region, you may see several options listed here. So, take a moment to carefully locate the correct one. Once you've found Google Pay, click on it to open its settings panel. This panel gives you more information about the payment method, including any requirements, availability details, or notes about how it works with your Stripe setup. Before enabling it, review this information so you understand what's needed for Google Pay to function properly on your account. After reviewing the details, look at the top of the panel and click the Enable button. Stripe will then begin activating Google Pay for your account. This usually only takes a short moment, so just wait while the system processes the change. When the activation is complete, check the status shown in the panel. You want to confirm that it has changed from disabled to enabled. This is the clearest sign that Google Pay has been successfully turned on and is now available in your Stripe account settings. Next, it's a good idea to test your checkout page or payment link. This helps you confirm that everything is working as expected from the customer's point of view, not just inside the Stripe dashboard. During your test, verify that Google Pay appears as an available payment option for eligible customers. Keep in mind that availability can depend on factors like device compatibility, browser support, and whether the customer has Google Pay set up. If you see Google Pay during the checkout experience where it's expected to appear, then the setup is complete and working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully activated Google Pay in Stripe and confirmed that it's available for use. Thanks for watching.